200 million. How long is this money going to last you?
Oh, straight to profitability, straight to our IPO, which is planned over the next 18 to 24 months. I think it's a phenomenal raise, and it's the fact that we are actually proving the fact that Asian companies can become really large on a global scale.
Okay, so in terms of your priorities, I guess, 200 million, and you mentioned the IPO. I'm now tempted to ask you when that's going to be, but take us through first what you plan to use this money for.
Yeah, I think it's largely global scale, right? So today we are present in about 15 different markets all across the globe where we have locally licensed. That will increase to over 20. We're looking at new licenses in Brazil, Mexico, different parts of Asia. The whole element about investment into tech is going to be massive. Tech and product are actually going to take a lot of the capital as well. And finally, M&A. We believe in a roll-up strategy. We're looking at various alternatives to buy companies in various parts of the globe. So that's also going to be leveraging this balance sheet to go ahead and make those acquisitions.
And Nium, I understand Prajit has been kind of looking into different types of acquisitions, especially you made that one with an Indian fintech there just this year, deals in Europe as well. Sort of what is on your radar right now? What kind of companies are you targeting? Right.
I think we're not looking to buy revenue. We're actually looking to buy very deep product sets, which really fits into our product set very seamlessly. So we are looking at companies in Latin America, in the US, and in Australia right now, where we're looking at platforms which will seamlessly integrate into our existing product offering and give us that enhanced capability. Like we acquired Ixaris earlier this year, and the specific reason for acquiring Ixaris is that our travel capability just got a shot in the arm, and we were able to provide a wider range of services to our existing travel clients.
Prajit, give us a sense of, when you're going to be profitable here as well. That's what people will want to know, and not just on an EBITDA basis.
Yeah, so if we had not worked on this M&A strategy, we would have actually been profitable somewhere later this year. We actually doubled up on an M&A strategy. We acquired Ixaris, we acquired Wirecard. We are now looking at two options in two different parts of the globe. So if we continue this roll-up strategy, we should be profitable by Q3, Q4 next year. If we actually take the foot off the gas on the M&A, we can actually be even faster. But for us, the key element now is scale, scale, scale. It's just on building and making this platform as seamless and as global as it can be.
Prajit, David didn't want to go there, but when will you IPO and where will you IPO? And are you considering a trade sale? Are you considering possibly also a special purpose acquisition company?
No, so I think we've looked at SPAC as an option. We've been inundated with a lot of SPAC offerings, but there's no hurry. We are extremely well capitalized. We are extremely well run. So from that perspective, there is absolutely zero hurry. We're looking at all these opportunities, and we'll make the right decision for our investors, for our existing shareholders. From a listing perspective, we're looking at 18 to 24 months. Ideally, list in the US and look at Singapore for maybe a secondary listing.
Prajit, there's about 1,000 fintech companies, startups in Singapore right now, and Niums' unicorn status certainly is quite a milestone for the Lion City. You yourself, you don't have an engineering or financial background, but tell us how you were able to grow this company at such a pace.
I think it's a glass ceiling, right? And I'm very happy that we broke the glass ceiling. So initially back in 2015, 2016, we were out in the market to raise money. Everyone looked at us and said, hey, there is no unicorn coming out of Singapore except the large logistics or e-commerce providers. So why do you think you guys will stand test of time? I think we've broken the glass ceiling, and we've broken the glass ceiling, and we now have the opportunity to really scale across the globe very seamlessly with that. But it's been a tough experience for us, but we've really stepped up. We've always thought global, and that's the joy of being in Singapore. The local market is pretty small, so you always think global from day one. And that's been a real case in point for us to really scale globally.